Travis hooked up Robinson's round 2.
It's a
Dude.
catfish. Nope, it's a redfish.
No, that's a nice red, dude.
Oh, take it.
Need a boga?
Yeah. It's all about the jack mackerel, dude. So,
Is that what it's about?
that's what it's all about. Oh yeah. That's where it's at. Alright, there's might need some boogers.
Here, I'll take a picture of him right here. 1, 2, 3.